Let's start in this question to try. In this question, we will try to find here is the zero force member. Okay, so at G we have here GY, and at A we have here AY, and we have here AX. Okay, joint A and joint G. Let's start to find the zero force member. Let's go with the simple thing. This a lot of trust. Okay, simple thing is at D. Okay, at D there's a rule that goes like this. Okay, joint with two members without any external load on it, so we call it zero force member. Okay, so let's remove it or try to hide it. Okay, you either just hide it by the or by erasing it. Okay, let's erase it. Okay, let's erase it. So you have here a force also. You have here, okay, you have here a member, so you have CE. So and there's a rule that we say that if you have a joint with an external load on it along the this member, so therefore this is we call it zero force member. So let's also erase it. Okay, and let's go with uh, let's go with H. Okay, H is a joint. It is 180 degrees. So here's zero force member. So let's remove it. Okay, let's remove it. And what else we have? Yeah, GY. It is along the force of this along this member. So therefore, this is zero force member. So we can erase it also. Okay, guys. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 3. Uh, that's it, guys. Okay, thank you. So you can find the when you do method of section, you can find out the forces and the members. Let's solve another example. Okay, let's solve another example. Um, let's solve this one. Okay. Here let's find the zero force member. We have here let's put the reaction. Okay, here's AY. Okay, it's vertex which is AY. So first find the reaction. Find the reaction. First find the reaction at the support. Okay, then okay, then find the zero force member. Okay, so we have here at F we have also Fy, and we have here Fx. You know why I'm telling you find the reaction to support? Because if you find the reaction, okay, first of all, at the support by using summation of moment and summation of f of y and f of x, you can find that f of x is equal to 0. So no need to put the force at no need to put the force, okay, at f of x. So remove it. So it has only 1. That's why first find the reaction at the support. So let's say, yeah, okay, f of x. Okay. So this part, okay, there's no any we can't find the reaction, okay, because there is no any support or external load, and the length is not given, so we need to find zero force member. um, Actually here we can't, you know why? Because we have a joint. Okay, this force is along this member, but we can't say this is 0 since we have here two forces. It should be only one force, so we can't say this is zero force member. But if you go with the simple thing, which is the joint, this joint C, it is 180 without any external load, so this is called zero force member. So let's remove it, okay? It will be easy. Similarly, it goes with this one, okay? Let's remove it, okay? Now this one we can't, since we have 1, 2. Let's remove and then we see this is zero force member. Oh yeah, this is we can. This indicates that it is 180 degrees, so this is called zero force member. Okay, so let's remove it, and this also is 180 degrees, and this is called zero force member, so let's remove it. Okay, so we can say in the exam, okay, instead of wasting time, so FED is equal to 0 kilonewton, and say zero force member, okay, for the proof. So you don't need to do cut and find the reaction, because if you do even the cut and you find the joint at E, you'll figure out that if ED, okay, is zero force member. Let's see here, even this one at joint D is 180 degrees, so this is called zero force member. So let us remove it all. Okay, right now it's easy. Okay, we can find the members at C, E, D, B, okay, is all 0, and we can find easily by doing method of joints. Okay, when we do cut, we can find here joint A. We can find out that we have here joint A. Okay, we have two unknowns, that's why I use method of joint. Okay, and we have AY, let's say, is with a number kilonewton, not a zero here, a number, let's say it's 8 kilonewton. And easy we can find here FC and FB by resolving the force, and then we can find this member as easily. Okay, oops, guys, we forget something. We can't say member AE is zero force member, since AY is not along with a member, so don't get confused and say AE is zero force member. Thank you, guys.